Should parents choose their child's teacher? The answer for me is no. As both a parent and a teacher, I realize how much more my child's teacher knows him as a learner and can make the best decision about him. Teachers have gone through training and been hired by admin for their positions. As an educator myself, I put my trust in the system. It's not always perfect, but schools have been really caring about children. I have had witness parents trying to switch teachers for their child. Some were successful, some were not, but what do we want to teach our children? I want my child to be independent. Soon they will grow not just academically but also in how they handle conflict, disappointment, and responsibility. I think it is a great opportunity for children and parents too to learn to navigate this situation because of the large value it has in bigger, more real-world type of situations. The best things parents can do is to allow their child to learn from a variety of teaching styles. If parents handpick educators, their child will never learn to be open-minded. Persevere despite personality differences. Communicate regardless of personal feelings. We set kids up for success when we provide novelty experiences with support. There are occasions when, because of some tailored needs, a child is better placed with one teacher over another. I agree that those should be considered but should be rather rare. Instead of teacher choice, the solution is to assure that every classroom has a highly qualified teacher capable of teaching a child. In this generation, teachers need to be trained to be a warm demander who can bring safety to each child while supporting achievement, and be trained to set up a trauma-sensitive classrooms. That way, all students, regardless of their classroom placement, will receive a quality and safe education. Yes, if there has been previous bad history, they will only make the teacher miserable all year. We give kids a chance. Parents should also give teachers a chance and be more communicative of their expectations.